nearly on your indication there, love. So yeah, pretty disastrous day yesterday with the sprints. Back on that later. Obviously be a short while till that video comes out maybe. Bloody cold this morning, but yeah, so take the SV out, go for breakfast down the cafe, see if the Blind Arms is open. If not, go to that one in Cleobury we went to last time. But yeah, got the short levers on the SV now. I have kind of done a video, but I think the footage was a bit terrible with lighting, so I'll weigh that up. But yeah, this bike's a lot smaller than the sprints. Breakfast time, and later it's time to do some sketchy shit. I went Tesco, brought some microwave pizzas. I ain't had them for years and it was like smelling them. He was like, I want some. Clear, noisy. I'll take the SV out. I'd rather not bring this one out in this. But nah. No, she's allowed to get wet. I buy my bikes to use. He just shit himself there. Any other caps you know about? How are you? Not by the look of it, because they're about here, were they? Unless they've moved further down. Or with the brake lights coming on, I reckon, yeah. No? They're just braking for the sake of braking. I hate the entrance to here. No, I don't think they have they? Yeah, I've got my phone. V-power. Yeah, it's the one place in it that I always they don't bother in the nationals as much, it's always the 30s. A bit of respect in it, slow down in the villages. It's meant to be a little bit misty, so I'll keep the name now. Times have changed their opening hours, they ain't doing breakfast, are they? Yeah. Maybe next time we'll have to try the one that's trying to take over from the food stop, Bridge North. Yeah, it was short, weren't it? And then we ended up just going down to like the edge of Stayport to the pub. Or no, we went to Bewdley, didn't we? Because we had Callum. Yeah, remember that? We went to the Chippy then. Well, you can't go anywhere without going to the Anchor. Other than for breakfast in the morning. Did he wave you past as well? He had his hand out the window going like that to me. That's only a 30, isn't it? The roads are drier here than Boyles. She's a national down here. shit. Ow! 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 Shit, I got cramp. There we go. What happened there? Whoops. Nothing behind. Fuck me. Just watch the fact that there's fucking barbed wire. No, I think he's out.
Yes.
Yeah, there's no one in it.